Okay, my name is Jay Polusto, and I'm from Makati City. This is my audition piece. It's titled BUFM First Magic Close-Up Competition. My magic career is almost 3 years. Okay, it's almost 3 years. So, magmamagic tayo ngayon. Okay? Magmamagic tayo ngayon. Ngayon na. Tama, ngayon na. Meron tayo 3 baraha. Okay? 3 baraha. 2 red, 1 itim. King of Hearts, Queen of Hearts, 3 of Clubs. Okay? So, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 of Clubs, sa tawag na si 3 of Clubs. Pag si 3 of Clubs, ilagay mo sa gitna. Automatic yan. Pag sinake mo. Oops. 3 of Clubs, mapapanik. Ulitin lang natin. Recap lang tayo. Okay? Kukunin mo si 3 of Clubs. Lalagay mo sa gitna. Pero pag sinake mo yan, automatic. Nagiging blue. This is my entrance magic. The BUFM number 1. Okay? BUFM number 1. Next magic. I have a deck of cards and I want you to pick up your mind. Think of a card. Number. Without suit. Go.
4.
4. That's right. 4 of diamonds. Okay na? 4 of diamonds. Face up. Sa deck. Ngayon, sasabihin mo lang kung stop.
Stop.
Look at your card. Okay? Lagay mo sa gitna. Ngayon, kalahati ng 52 cards, 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Buti marunong pa akong bilang. Okay, game. Ngayon, natanongin kita, naniniwala ka ba sa coincidence?
Oo.
Sa luck.
Oo.
Paano naman sa magic?
Hindi.
Patay tayo dyan kung hindi ka naniniwala sa magic. Pero sige, bibigyan kita. Ididil ko siya one at a time. Hanggat na makita natin yung 4 of diamonds na naka-face up, titigil tayo doon. Okay? Natin na. Ayun. 4 of diamonds. It would be a good coincidence kung 4 of diamonds katabi niya yung napili mong card. Ano ba yung napili mong card?
10 of spade.
10 of spade. Ito ang coincidence. Naalala mo yung luck? Ito yung luck. Yung magic. Ito yung magic. Sa likod ng ace of clubs, nandun yung ace to clubs. Ace to king. Sa likod ng ace of hearts, nandun yung ace to king na hearts. Sa likod ng ace of spade, nandun yung ace to king. Sa likod ng ace of diamonds, nandun yung ace to king. Oops! There's more! There's more magic. Ngayon, simple naman. Papapiliin naman na kita ng baraha. Papiliin kita ng baraha. Okay? First card, say stop.
Stop.
Tanda mo yung card. Tanda mo yung card. Sige, go. Tanda mo. Okay na? Yung first card mo, lalagyan natin dito. Ang second card, palitan natin. 5 of Hearts. Tama? Hindi. Queen of Hearts. Okay? Ngayon, si Queen of Hearts, lalagay ko sa gitna. Siyempre, automatic yan. Si Queen of Hearts, nasa top. Pag nalagay ko sa gitna, automatic si Queen of Hearts. Oops, nagiging 5 of Hearts. Lalagay si 5 of Hearts. 7 of Hearts. Lagyan natin. Then watch. 5 of Hearts and this is Queen of Hearts. Tama? Okay. Ngayon, bago pa magsimula, meron na akong prediction dito. Ang nakalagay is Queen of Hearts. Tama ba ako? Queen of Hearts eh. Pero, ang hindi pa natin alam, yung first card mo. Okay? Sabi mo nga sa akin kung ano yung first card mo.
6 of hearts.
6 of Hearts. Pero, hindi naman siya tugma. Di ba? So ngayon, gagawin natin ganito. Ikaw ang buti. Watch. Oops. 6 of Hearts. BUFM number 1.